Comparative adjectives. We use comparative adjectives when we want to compare two things. For example, which fruit is sweeter, a strawberry or a lemon? I think a strawberry is sweeter than a lemon. To construct them, we add er at the end of the adjective, like this: small, smaller; cold, colder; tall, taller. If the adjective ends in y, like crazy, we must replace it with the letter I and add the suffix er. My dog is crazier than other dogs. To use adjectives like big or fat as comparative, we should duplicate their last letter and add the suffix er. For example, his dreams are bigger than him. Adjectives with 3 or more syllables form the comparative with the words more or less. My mother is more intelligent and less reckless than I am. Usually, we follow this formula to make a comparison. The first subject we are comparing, the verb, the comparative adjective, the word than, and the second subject. He is younger than my brother. Learn more by following us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram.
GCF Aprende Libre, creando oportunidades para una vida mejor.